that is depreciation. So what is depreciation? Depreciation is the same loss in the value of the currency of a domestic country in comparison to foreign currency. But yes, depreciation is more organic, it's more natural, and it is due to the market forces like demand and supply, and it's not an intentional move by the government. So depreciation, we can just memorize it through accountancy. So in accountancy, we read depreciation as an routine wear and tear. So whenever we read it in economics also, we will take it as routine affair, means on everyday basis what is happening organically, naturally in the market, that our Indian rupee is kind of surviving $1 or not. So if it's surviving, so $1, if it's today 70, then next day it would be 69. But if it is not surviving, then today it is 70, so the next day it will rise to 90 rupees. Means now I have to give 20 more to get $1 of US. So that is the main difference between depreciation and devaluation. So devaluation is always intentional, depreciation is always gradual, it's always organic, and it's always natural. The impact of depreciation and devaluation is almost the same because it leads to the same meaning. It's just the intention that matters. So it will lead to same increase in exports and decrease in imports. But yes, depreciation is okay if it is like 2 to 4%, that is organic. But if it's a sharp 10% decrease or a 20% decrease or a 30% decrease, that is a really alarming situation for any government, for any economy. And then the government needs to interfere that what is actually happening in the market, that our domestic currency is not able to survive the international competition. That they really need to see.